Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. Given the system 2x minus 4y equals 6 and negative x plus 5y equals 0, determine what multiple of equation 1 should be subtracted from equation 2 to eliminate x. Then perform that elimination to get a triangular system and solve it. Finally, keeping the same left-hand side, change the right-hand side from 6, 0 to negative 6, 0 and find the new solution. Each equation graphs as a line. The solution to the system is their intersection point in the xy plane. Elimination is like sliding along one line's information to cancel x in the other equation, leaving a clean y equation. We will subtract m times equation 1 from equation 2. Our job is to pick m so the x terms cancel. After subtraction, the new x coefficient is minus 1 minus 2m. Set that equal to 0. Solving gives m equals minus 1/2. That is the multiple we subtract. The official subtract a multiple answer is m equals minus 1/2. If you prefer, you can think of it as adding half of equation 1. But we'll keep the subtraction framing. Since we are subtracting negative 1/2 times equation 1, let's first compute that scaled equation. Now subtract the scaled equation from equation 2. Watch the x terms. Negative x minus negative x becomes 0, exactly as planned. Great. Now the system is triangular. The second equation involves only y, so we solve it first. From the second equation, y is 1. Substitute y equals 1 back into equation 1 to find x equals 5. So, the intersection point is 5, 1. Now, the left-hand side stays the same, but the first right-hand side changes from 6 to negative 6. Since the coefficients of x and y do not change on the left, we subtract the same multiple, m equals negative 1/2, to eliminate x again. Scale the new equation 1 by negative 1/2, just like before. Subtract the scaled equation from equation 2. X cancels, and we get y equals minus 1. Substitute y equals negative 1 into the first equation to get x equals negative 5. The updated solution is negative 5, negative 1. The multiplier comes purely from matching the x coefficients, so subtraction makes the x term vanish. Same left-hand side means the same elimination multiplier, but changing the right-hand side changes the final numbers in the solution. Watch the next video to learn more. Next, we'll practice elimination on more systems and learn how to track each step quickly and accurately.